In this section, we are going to work on how to write out a text. So let's move to, this is the animation. So it's like written it out. So let's head to our text. Let me close that tab. And this is your text layer. You have the text already typed here. Now I need to go to the pen tool. I need to puff up. How am I going to write this? Hold down Shift. I just click on it and I create a mask. So please remember, select the text layer before you click on the pen tool and create your mask. If not, it becomes a shape. If I didn't select, it becomes a shape. Once you have the first mask, you can click away, deselect the layer, and you can select it again and hold down Shift so that the line is straight. If you didn't unselect and select again, the lines will keep going. So you need to click away again and click back. Right. So this color, I can't really see it because the text is white. So I make it darker by clicking here. I can change the colors that I want. Right. I think the green I need to change also, the cyan color. All right, let's take a look at this. I can click one point and double click. Maybe I move to the right slightly. I think this is all right. Double click again to deselect it, and need to move this so that line stands in the center. So now we have a lot of masks, and it somehow will follow this mask to write it out. Now we need to go to the effect and presets, select stroke, and the stroke under generate, you just drag and drop to the layer, or you just by selecting the layer, you double click, it will apply onto this layer. Now we are selecting mask 1. Let me change the color of the stroke so that it's more obvious. Now you see that here there's a red line. So basically you need to increase the brush size so that it somehow covers the text. And make sure that you choose all mask so that it covers all the text. And right now, if you want it to write from mask 1 sequentially until mask 6, you can tick the stroke sequential. If not, you can just untick it, because let me go to the end. It's like the writing out. It will start on all the points, all the starting points. If you tick on stroke sequential, it will start from the first one, then the second one, the third one. If you want to draw it out, you can animate the end from 0 point to the last point. If you want to like rub it off, you can animate the start from 0% to 100%. So this is how you can animate it. Opacity, I am not going to suggest you to change it. It should be 100 because we need to review the text. Spacing, lines are formed by dots. So if your spacings is larger, you'll see that the dots is more obvious. So usually I will push it to 0. And now I animate the end here. So at first point, I keyframe 0. And 1 second, I keyframe to 100. This is how it's drawn out. Now, at paint style here, right now, we are having it on original image. We want to map it out, or we want to mask it out. So we go to review original image. So by now you will see that the stroke acts as a matte and it's actually masking the text out. Now you see that there's a bit of here and there. You can actually, like I will double click and move this away. And yeah, I think it's fine. And this one, I can't really help much unless I move this to here. Yeah, so you can do it in one shot, or another way is you can do it character by character, especially for different languages. Characters might be more complicated You can mask the specific area out, and you can just do it in one layer. It depends on how detailed you want it to be. So this is stroke, and this is how written out looks like.